Electrolux EFLS627UTT review. Please 3 seconds to subscribe to our channel. If your laundry is constantly attacked by terrible stains, you'll need the best washing machine and good detergent to bring them down. For that, we'd recommend the Electrolux EFL 27-inch front-load washer. It features 3 separate cycles to specifically attack stains in any stage of its life, whether it just happened now or an hour ago. The Electrolux EFL takes it to the extreme when fighting stains, featuring 2 options specifically targeting stains in their various forms, otherwise known as Smart Boost. What the Electrolux EFL does against stains is nothing short of a miracle. Not 1, but 2 options are available, among 9 wash cycles, to tackle stains in various stages. Got a tough stain? Use Perfect Steam Cycle, where steam rises from the bottom to lift the stain from the very fibers. Stain Soak skips pre-treat and mixes everything ahead of time, while giving you the option to choose the type of stain. This makes up the Smart Boost system, and that's in addition to Lux Care Wash system, which lets you control the temperature, load sensing, and various washing actions. The Giantex Portable Mini Compact Twin Tub and Panda Compact Washing Machine are good for a pinch, but for an entire home, not so much. The Electrolux EFL washing machine is what you'd expect modern washing machines to look like. Its control type uses capacitive touch controls, with an LED display on the knob to tell you when the wash cycle is complete. That's useful when you run a clean washer cycle. Since this washer type is a front loader, the washer door is located at the front, not at the top like the Super Deal Portable Twin Tub. All the washing is done inside a stainless steel drum, within a dimension of 27 by 38 by 31.5 inches. For something compact, check out the Super Deal Portable Twin Tub. The top-loading Electrolux Laundry Washer EFL was tough to place on the scale of value. For starters, Electrolux washes high-performing washers to begin with, and this one in particular really works against stains. In fact, it is some of the best stain removal we've seen. But it's awfully expensive. At the same time, it accepts pods, which already use a small amount of detergent. You'll save on water detergent and fabric softener over time. Its 1-year limited warranty isn't the greatest, however, a year after purchase is when devices start to act up. Still, the Electrolux EFL performance is so excellent, it still has great value. The Electrolux EFL Front-Load Washer is one high-performing workhorse, more than ready to take on the week's worth of clothing you'll no doubt toss in, especially on stains. It'll save you on your energy bill over time with its Energy Star certification, and even get the most out of detergent pods. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more upcoming videos.